Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday morning here at the cabin. I got in kind of late last night. It was pushing 10 o'clock when I got in. The temperature inside the cabin was a balmy 12 degrees. So I built a nice big fire and went back to the bar for a little while. I got up around 9 o'clock this morning and went down, built a fire. It was only about 55 degrees inside the cabin. And I got some of my stuff organized that I didn't do last night. And now I'm just sitting here transferring some files over and getting the day started. As a reminder, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit the like button and leave a comment on what you like about my videos, and feel free to share these videos on your social media pages. I also have a Facebook page and an Instagram page under the same name, LastFrontierCabin. A couple years ago, I had an issue with all my stuff in my little trailer here bouncing around and moving. So I went ahead and I created this webbing system out of bungee cords. It works really well and it keeps everything right where I want it. Plus it keeps the snow that gets kicked up from the snow machine onto the cover of the trailer here from filling up with snow. So I'm gonna go ahead, undo all this, and get my these are my I brought in 15 gallons of gasoline for the generator, so I'll get this put over in the generator shed. The reason I put the gas cans in these plastic bags is sometimes going over the bumps and stuff, a little bit of gasoline will leak out, and I don't want gasoline in my sled because I put my laptop case in there and my cooler and various things like that, and I just don't want any gas inside the trailer. And as you can see, it pretty much ruins the plastic bags when I do this. So what I normally do is put these 3 long ones that go front to back on, and then I zigzag these cross ones like a lattice work, and it seems to work really well this way. And that's all there is to it. This is just a simple pin hitch. Got the holes in the pin there, and you stick the cotter pin in. Tonight I'm using the Alaska Seasoning Company's Kodiak Cajun on the pork steaks. And on the burgers, I'm putting Montreal steak seasoning on, as always. Makes them taste like chopped steak.